Alright guys, welcome to my quick tutorial and review on Javier. So first of all, I'm going to say I really love this place. It's really good, and now it's even better that it has a vegan menu. So how do you get to the vegan menu for all those vegans who want to try Javier's and maybe were not able to in the past? Well, this is, first of all, because of COVID, technology has been sped up by at least 10 years, and so now you use a QR code on your phone to reach the menu. Okay, they have remodeled the restaurant, so you have dividers with I'm not sure if it's plexiglass or whatever it is, but anyway, you have glass dividers. It's all very COVID friendly in there. But anyway, let's get to the vegan menu. You press on here. Fat fingers again. Fat fingers! And slow internet, because we are in Irvine, California, Woodbridge, where AT&T has one of the worst services ever. And when we go to their store, the workers there always tell us how we're sorry, but unfortunately AT&T doesn't have decent internet in your area. But anyway, if you're at the restaurant, you will have very quick, excellent Spectrum internet, so don't worry about that. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to press on locations and menus over here, because you are probably seated at one of these awesome restaurants. In our case, we were in Irvine, so if you press the Irvine button over here, come on, slow internet, and it takes you to this beautiful set of pictures. But don't be scared, you're not lost here. Just go down and you will find this very cool thing here where it says dinner. Now if you're a omnivorous kind of person, you'll just scroll down and you have all your menus right here. You have all kinds of things that you can eat. But if you are a vegan, you press on this little button over here, takes you to this menu underneath, and you scroll all the way down until you see vegetarian and vegan. Then you will press on that, and here we are with the vegetarian menu first, and just scroll down and you will find vegan, where you have tacos de vegetales. I'm not sure if you say it that way. I'm probably butchering all the words. And tacos de hongos. And as far as I know, I think they also have a really good chocolate dessert that is also vegan friendly. Anyway, have great drinks like margaritas and all kinds of good stuff. So I highly recommend Javier's to anybody who wants to have a vegan experience now. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you out. When you go, have a great dinner or lunch or whatever meal at Javier's, and see you in the next one.